All right, we're here at the waterfall. I don't know how to pronounce it. Minhaha? Maybe? I don't know how it's said. We have to go up these stairs and see if it's beautiful. My mom has to tie her shoe. She's making me go slow. Minhaha Falls was great. Short hike. Drive wasn't bad. So worth the trip. Okay, we're here in Toka. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. And we're going to see a waterfall. So is that it? Is that the waterfall? Maybe. Maybe not. So we will see. Mystery. I lied. There it is. It's pretty awesome. It's really tall. Another trip worth the drive because it's not much of a hike, so it's real short. I'm going to eat and then I'm going to try for trip number 3 in one day.
Vlogging.